I take the E clip from the, on top of the, next to the head, there's an E clip and it connects to somewhere. There it is. I'm gonna put this up here because there's holes underneath. Call this pinch roller coil spring. E-clip and probably spring. Still doesn't come off though. That sucks. I want to bend it. Oh, okay, my bad. There's a screw. Right here, under the heads. It's okay. I don't really want to take the head off the sled. Just gonna get to it right here. There's a small screw under the sled. The sled guide, if you will. Maybe it's gonna require me to take these heads off. I don't really want to. They're like, you know, they might need adjusting, but they're, you know. Got it. There we go. Okay. This is the piece right here. This is also on the sled. Take this out. We got a circle. We got a little washer and a big washer. This goes right here on this plastic sort of stump. And that sits on top of that. And there's a little space where you can slip the screwdriver behind to get that on. Head sled transport. There you go. Okay, cool. Here comes the head. That's good. It's very useful, and that definitely needs clean. Absolutely. Yeah, all this stuff is really dirty. Just probably take everything apart. Here's a little washer too, which I have to assume. Okay, so here we have more bearings. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6 on top. So there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's another one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we need 6. Which means there's one more here somewhere. Guaranteed. And we'll find it right now. Most likely attached to a magnetic screwdriver. Or I'll take one off the other part. It's fine too. This tells me it's probably stuck somewhere. You can see where those bearings rolled. A lot of time, over time. Or maybe it didn't have it. Maybe it fell down inside. This little piece here though, I'm pretty sure this probably went right there. I'll look at the schematics. It might have come underneath, but it's definitely part of this. Pretty sure. I learned a lesson on the Porta 1, not to, although these are much thicker wires, I'll tell you that. Much thicker wires. Just gonna get fixed up. I don't know, do you oil a solenoid? Probably not. There's a solenoid bumper. A lot of shit everywhere, huh? So what about this piece? These what need repair or what? It is worn smooth. This is pretty, still a little rough, see? It still has some groove to it. Definitely. This has some rubber to it. Honestly. I don't know, man, this thing seems pretty... I'll have to clean it off. Maybe I want to pull off individual pieces and grease them. Not sure. All the screwdrivers out of here for a little while. Try to keep an organized area so things don't get lost or crazy. Just try a combination of clean if you can and pull off one at a time and put back on rather than a full. Let's look at all this, man. This is really